Hello, my name is Alex Dickinson. I'm an Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering at the University of Southampton, UK, and I've been asked to give a talk about my research team's work towards digital workflows for predictive prosthetic socket design. The first ISPO event I attended was the 2013 World Congress in Hyderabad, and having come from the orthopedics field, it was great to find another community where clinicians, industry, researchers, and most importantly, service users could all work together as equal partners. It's important to me that my team's work follows the same principle, even in our most fundamental engineering, and it was a privilege and a surprise to be asked to give you a keynote talk. We know that prosthetic socket design depends on the skill and experience of highly trained professionals, and they do a highly challenging design task because the residual limb socket interface is a moving target. My research team's aim was to develop biomechanical simulation methods to let prosthetists predict the pressure and strain experienced by residual limb soft tissues in real time during socket design. Without giving you all the equations, I'll tell you about how we tackled the challenge of developing simulation-based tools so that they don't require high-performance computers, high-cost software, or even a mechanical engineer, but importantly so that they don't come between the prosthetist and their client. How will this talk relate to the meeting theme of digital transformation in an evolving world? Well, several review papers in the 1990s recognized the potential of these technologies and suggested the work we needed to do to improve them. But even though we've made those improvements and more, the technologies remain in the research community. Thanks to improvements in computing power, the availability of large data sets, as well as the increased collaborative work between data scientists and clinicians, I believe we're close to the tipping point where it will become feasible to use simulations to support socket design in the real world. There are risks associated with any new technology, especially those that use data, but if we get it right, I think we could help clinicians spend more of their time on the highest value-added parts of their job and to engage their patients and clients even more in their own care. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to see lots of you in November.